wants to go camping with Cinnamoroll, Kuromi, and my Melody. I hope you like the story. Okay, let's just get on the bus so we can quickly get to the camping spot. Yes, let's go now. Okay, are you ready, guys? Yes, we are ready. Okay, let's go. Who wants to go in first? Me, I want to go in first. I'm going in. Now, it's my turn. It's just me and the Cinnamoroll here. I'll go in first. Okay, now it's my turn. Yay! We've arrived! Wow, the place is beautiful. Wait for me, guys. Okay, guys. Since we've arrived here, we have to take photos. Let's get into position first. Okay. Oh, my husband! I'll fix it. I want to be here. I want to be here. Okay, then Pom Pom Purin and I are here. Woo! The view here is very beautiful. I'm really happy here. I'm also very happy here because I can camp with all of you. Oh, that's sweet. I feel like I want to stay here all the time. The flowers here smell good too. Let's have fun here, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, that's too